Ayan, kita na siya. So pretty amazing. Thank you, Dragonfly, for letting me take a video of you and pictures. You're so pretty amazing. I'm so happy to meet you this morning. Ay, nagahila mo siya. Ang cute niya. Wow. You're so pretty amazing. Thank God for your wonderful creation. Look at that dragonfly. Bye-bye. Nice meeting you. Take care on your journey. Ayan siya. Oh. Let's go. Thank God. Thank you, Jehovah God. Ang ganda po ng dragonfly. At nandito ang auntie nyo. 6:20. Ayan. At tayo ay naka 2.12 kilometers na. Okay, we're heading back. We're heading back home. Dito tayo liliko. Ay, na Mount Manahaw. Babalik ako dyan sa Mount Manahaw one day.